Hello everyone. Let us see how to create a simple preloader for websites in Photoshop. So let us start. We'll be working in a transparent background which is ideal for GIF animations. So now in this transparent background we'll be creating preloader for the website. So first we'll be creating guides. So just create one guide. This is a vertical guide, and now we'll create a horizontal guide. Right. Then we'll create a polygon. So here is the polygon tool, and we'll select only 3 sides for the polygon, and we'll just hold shift and create a 3-sided triangle. If we put a value of 3 in the number of sides for the polygon, we'll get a triangle, and we will make this triangle inverted. Simply we'll hold shift and just rotate it so that we'll get exact 90 degrees. Right, so we'll just keep it over here. Right, we can slightly increase the size. Right. Then what we'll do is we will now create the duplicates of this triangle. So how we can create duplicates? And each duplicate should rotate by a specific angle. So first what we need to do is we have to change the center point of this triangle. So how we can do that? We'll activate the transform tool, and we will change the center point. Right now the center point is at the center of this object. So what we'll do is we will just drag the center point, and we will keep the center point for this triangle at the center of the document. So we'll just zoom, and this is the reason why we have created the guides. The guides will help us in keeping the center point at the center of the document. So we can zoom and check. Let's check whether these the center point is exactly at the center of the document or not. Right now it is properly placed at the center of the document. Right, now the next step is let's rotate triangle. So we need to rotate it, and we have to put a value of, let's say, 36 in this angle input field. Right, and now we will hit enter. Right, now we will create more duplicates. To create duplicates, we have to use a keyboard shortcut, Ctrl Alt Shift T in PC, or Command Option Shift T in Mac. So we can see here we are creating the duplicates. We can count the number of duplicates: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 duplicates. So once we got these many duplicates, so now we can hide the guides. To hide the guides, we can simply hit Ctrl H in PC or Command H in Mac. Right. So now we have hidden the guides. So now let's select all these layers, and we can merge all the layers. So simply we'll merge all the layers, and now we will right click on the layer and we'll select this rasterized layer. So means we are converting the vector objects into raster objects. Right. So now we will change the color of these objects into gray. So how we can do that? We'll simply hold Control in PC or Command in Mac and click on the layer thumbnail, and we will select a gray color, a dark gray color, and we will just apply the color. Right. So now we got the gray color. Now we will take duplicates, but first we will use the magic wand and select one of these triangles. Just click inside the triangle so we can see a selection around it, and we will just change the color of this triangle to orange. Right. Now we will take one more duplicate, and then we will just select another triangle, and we will just apply the same orange color. Right, and we will just select this one, and we'll just pick this gray color and apply this color. And we'll take one more duplicate. This time we'll select this one, this triangle, and we'll pick this orange color, and we will fill this orange color. And then again we'll select the previous triangle, and we will pick the gray color and apply it. So we'll be just following the same steps. So we'll just pick the color, and we have to just take one more duplicate here, and then we will just select the magic wand, and we will apply the orange color, and for this one we will apply the gray color. Right, we'll take one more duplicate, just select this particular triangle, and then we will just pick this orange color and then apply the orange color, and for the previous one we'll apply gray color. Right, so I will quickly do these steps. So once we have completed these steps, now we need to open timeline panel. The timeline panel is inside the window menu over here. So we can see here, and make sure that we select frame animation here. We can see by default one frame appears here. This frame is related to the active layer. So currently one of the layer is active, and that layer is converted to frame by default for us. Right, we want all these layers to be converted to frames. So for that, what we need to do is, on the top right corner of the timeline panel, we just have to click on this hamburger menu, and we can see a number of options, and from these options we have to select make frames from layers. Just we need to click on that. That's it. And now see, all the layers are converted to frames here. Right, and now let's play. Let's see how our animation appears. So just click on this play button here, so we can see here. Right, so we got the animation. Now what we'll do is, we will select all these frames by holding shift, and here we can see timings. So we have a 0 seconds. For the first one we have 0.2 seconds. So we will keep 0.2 seconds for all these frames because we don't want the animation to play very fast. So let's select 0.2, and now the animation will play a little bit slowly. So we can see here animation is not too fast now. Right, this is what we need. So now we got the animation, and now we will save our GIF animation. We'll give output for our GIF animation. So we'll simply go to file, and here we have the option save as. We'll select save as, and we can save it wherever we want. And the most important thing to remember is we should not select a format other than GIF. So here we have the GIF format, and we will just save our file as Preloader GIF animation. Right, and we will simply save. That's it. Now we got the animation. Let's check our animation now. So this is our simple preloader GIF animation. So this is our GIF file, and we can use this GIF preloader in any websites. So very simple one and very easy one. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please do like, subscribe, share, and if you have anything to say, do comment. See you again.